all care about eating right. But our hectic schedules tend to get in the way. We can't do without our microwave ovens because of how quick and convenient they are. There are even studies that suggest that microwave cooking retains more of the nutrients in certain foods than traditional methods, so it's a healthy option too. The problem is, with traditional microwaves, your results can be a bit uneven. You often get dry, overcooked edges, or cold spots in the middle. Until now. Now, Panasonic introduces a unique combination of technologies to defrost, cook, and reheat your foods evenly. Together, our inverter technology and cyclonic wave action make cooking quick, efficient, and flavorful. Everything you expect from the leader in advanced microwave technology. And Panasonic microwaves are built to high standards, featuring quality components, and trimmed in premium durable stainless steel that will complement any decor. Panasonic inverter microwaves even offer more internal room and larger turntables than comparably sized microwaves, so you can maximize your counter space, or use the custom trim kit for a sleek built-in design. Panasonic microwaves are available at major retailers nationwide. They've also been featured in professional kitchens around the world, and you can find exclusive recipes created by award-winning chefs at Panasonic.com. So keep the speed, keep the convenience, but say goodbye to uneven results with an inverter microwave from Panasonic, the microwave that cooks evenly.